welcome to Conspiracy Corner Podcast, everyone. This is Abe, your host. I'm dropping the phone, and I'm also stuck on the side of the road. I was supposed to work tonight, and instead I'm stuck on the side of the road because of the weather. Snowing outside, so basically the car just started drifting, and down the hillside I went, and I'm stuck in a ditch. So I'm waiting on a tow truck to pull me out. I listen to a lot of podcasts, and one that I was listening to here recently was a podcast called Lights Out Podcast. And the guy who does it was raised in like a real religious, real Christian home. And the podcast is pretty cool. They cover like paranormal, true crime, the macabre, cryptids, shit like that. The type of stuff that I'm interested in. But the main guy was raised in like a real religious home, almost the same kind of atmosphere I was. Like, he wasn't, I mean, his was a little, I don't know, extreme on certain aspects, like he couldn't watch or collect Pokemon cards. I wasn't allowed to really, we had Yu-Gi-Oh cards, but my dad would go through the Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and anything that had to do with witchcraft or demons or anything like that, he'd throw them away. But I had a very similar upbringing as far as like strict Christianity. And oh, by the way, if you do get sent to his podcast, if you end up subscribing and you end up liking his stuff, give my channel a shout out because it helps. And hell, when this tow truck comes, I might just stay on with y'all. This will be an exciting episode. I'm literally stuck in a ditch on the side of the road. But he wanted to do an episode basically explaining how and why he left Christianity, kind of tell his story of his upbringing and stuff like that. And I thought that was a cool idea, a cool premise for an episode. So I kind of wanted to tell my story. So yeah, I was raised in a strict Christian household. My dad was a preacher when I was a baby. His dad was a preacher. And he became a preacher again. He quit for years and then became a preacher again when I was in my teen years. And ever since I was like in kindergarten, I always liked the gothic style, the punk look. I always liked, rock and roll. Like, my dad was always like, oh, he'd always call me a metalhead or a headbanger because I always liked Aerosmith. Metallica was cool. Hang on, someone's coming. Maybe. Oh, this sucks, dude. I hope I can make it home without getting towed again. And some of these motherfuckers are flying. Like, this truck just flew through, dude. I don't know if I should put on my seatbelt or what. I'm pretty far down in the ditch, but these motherfuckers are just stupid, dude. But yeah, so I was always kind of a black sheep, and I never felt like I was able to be who I... Uh-oh, this might be him. What up, dude?
What's up?
You pulling me out?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to. I'll get that strap hooked up.
Yeah, I need to be facing that way though.
Well, we can pull you out. We can pull you back on that road, and you can turn it and go that way.
Yeah, I should have just called in, man, but
You're okay,
you know how it
buddy.
is.
I see you sitting out here. That's what we're actually doing. We're, having a little fun in the snow, and trying to help people out.
That's cool. Making a little extra money.
Yep.
You think I need to
Just pull up and get back. Yeah, I can stop in traffic.
I don't think his ass in. Probably try to drag him all the way up this way.
We're going to. He needs to go that way.
He wants to go that way, so okay.
Block traffic here, baby. We're gonna let Ryan pull him all the way. If you want to, you can go ahead and hop back in.
All right.
That way you can steer it a little bit.
Turn it on. Like start it.
Yeah, you can if you want to. Oh.
Do I need to put it in reverse?
Yeah, or neutral.
Okay. Which do you think's better?
Go way over this way.
Cause I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm from Florida. I ain't never been pulled out of snow before.
Oh, you're good, man. No, you can just leave it in neutral. Do both.
Okay. Man, and they be flying tonight too, dude. They don't care.
Oh, hell no.
Hey. Yeah, I called somebody. I thought you were the guys that I called, man.
No, I just finished it. I didn't know if you called anybody.
Hey, I appreciate it though.
Well, I didn't see anybody here to help you, so.
I honestly, I just thought you were the dudes I called, man.
You're alright, man.
Hey, are you the dude I called?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, they just showed up. I thought it was you, man.
Oh, no, it's all good. I was going to say, I mean, they can pull you out, but you have to pay me regardless.
Okay.
So,
I need to be facing that way.
yeah, we'll get
So,
turned around.
It started, it's in neutral right now.
We're going to do a real bad job.
Do you need me in it to steer it or anything?
Yeah, that's right. So is somebody coming at you? Did you just slip off the road, or?
Yeah, just slid off, dude.
I left my house.
I don't know if I should be cutting it or what.
Huh?
Do what?
You think I should be cutting it or what, or just leave it straight?
Are you gonna be able to turn around there?
Oh shit, it's flat.
Is it?
It flattened it. Fuck me.
It's low, but it ain't flat.
It ain't flat?
No.
Okay.
I don't know where you're going.
I'm going to Harrodsburg is where I'm trying to get to.
5-star's got free air.
Okay. Yeah, going into Harrodsburg, yeah.
Well, you just come around there and just slide off.
Yeah, dude. Over nothing, too. I mean, I was keeping it slow and everything. It just starts sliding, man.
I would have pulled you out, but I didn't know you already had somebody on the way.
I thought you were the dudes. That's why I was
Oh,
just
no.
letting you. I was like, hell yeah.
As long as somebody gets pulled out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hold the brake.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you guys just roll around pulling people out all night? Well, that's cool. That's some Robin Hood shit, bro.
Yeah, so we did that last week, the week before, whatever, that's what we did.
How many did you pull out?
Shit. I couldn't even count.
A bunch. Yeah.
We actually opened up 52. Me and I understand the cover all this double with us sometimes.
Yeah.
And people be stuck. We ain't charging that. We just kind of like, you'll give a tip, appreciate it, whatever. But
Right.
We don't charge them. We just for hell, have something to do, you know.
Right. Well, here's 10 for the thought, man.
I appreciate it. Like I said, I'd have gladly pulled down and I got back when I looked that up. He would got you out there.
Yeah, my wife had called someone.
Yeah.
Otherwise, she would have had to come get me. But then if she got stopped,
I ain't gonna take, them already here lined up. I ain't gonna take the business from them.
yeah. I told my boss, I sent him a picture like, yeah, I'm not coming in tonight, bro.
Would you headed to work?
Yep. I
Where
work
you?
third shift, night shift stocker over in Nicholasville, man.
It was still Walmart?
Yeah, Kroger.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I work in Nicholasville too. I work over at SRM Concrete, Concrete.
Right. So you out of work right now, then, probably, right?
No, I ain't gonna work there.
Yeah.
I'll have to maybe.
Need you to throw it neutral,
Okay. It's in neutral
But
now. My foot's on the brake.
feather the brake, because he's gonna go and pull you.
Just tap it.
Stab it, make sure you just try not to hit the truck, because he's gonna pull you out with the truck,
Oh, okay.
not the winch.
Just let me know when. Is he pulling me up in that drive? Okay. I might end up calling you, maybe. I don't know. I hope not. All right. At least you know where I'm heading, where to find me. Oh, shit. So that was exciting. Hopefully I can make it home. Yeah, I'm just poking. I'm just poking the rest of the way home, dude. But yeah, I mean, I don't have much time left on this.